Ever wondered how to get the most out of your blueberry bushes? Well, it's all about the right care and attention, and today we're exploring the world of pruning and fertilizing blueberries to help you reap the juiciest and most flavorful harvest. Pruning is an essential part of maintaining the health and productivity of your blueberry bushes. Begin the process by identifying and removing any dead, damaged, or diseased branches. This step not only helps keep the plant healthy, but also allows for more growth in the future. Next, keep an eye out for branches that are crossing or rubbing against each other. Pruning these will improve airflow and sunlight penetration, both of which are key to a successful harvest. But pruning is only half the battle. Fertilizing your blueberry bushes is just as important, and it's crucial to remember that blueberries have specific nutritional needs. When selecting a fertilizer, opt for one that's formulated for acid-loving plants. Applying the fertilizer is a delicate process. Ensure to distribute it evenly around the base of the bush and always follow the instructions on the package to avoid over-fertilizing. Remember, too much of a good thing can be harmful. Over-fertilizing can damage the roots, so less is more in this case. Once you've fertilized your blueberry bush, it's time to give the plant a good watering. This helps the nutrients from the fertilizer penetrate the soil and reach the roots where they can do the most good. To sum up, getting the most out of your blueberry bushes comes down to two key steps: pruning and fertilizing. By removing dead, damaged, or crossing branches, you improve the health and productivity of the bush. And by using a fertilizer designed for acid-loving plants and watering thoroughly after application, you're giving your blueberries the nutrients they need to thrive. So, with these tips in hand, you're all set to enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious homegrown blueberries. Happy gardening!